Have you noticed that why more and more Indian celebrities are investing in Dubai real estate? From top Bollywood actors like Vivek Oberoi to Indian entrepreneurs, everybody is investing in Dubai real estate. Now Dubai has become the new investment hotspot. Recently, Vivek Oberoi launched a luxury real estate project in Dubai. But why a Bollywood actor or any Indian for that matter will invest in a property overseas? I'll be explaining this in 5 points. There are 5 top reasons that why celebrities are buying properties in Dubai, and the 5th one is the most critical one. First is tax-free income. Yes, Dubai has tax-free income. Whether it's a rental income or capital gains from the property resale, every income is tax-free in UAE. Compared to India, where the rental incomes and the capital incomes are taxed at 20 and 30%. So the difference is huge here. Second is high rental yields. In the prime time areas of Dubai, the investors get around 7 to 10% of rental returns, whereas in India, which is much higher, which you usually get in Indian metros. Third is global appeal and demand of Dubai. Dubai is an international business hub spot, tourist destination and expat magnet. The rental demands are usually higher in Dubai due to its entrepreneurs and even the digital nomads. Next is golden visa benefits. By investing around 2 million dirhams in Dubai by buying a property, you automatically get a golden visa. And the golden visa is valid for 10 years. That means you get the long-term residency visa and all the benefits of the long-term residency visa in Dubai. So this is a huge benefit for the global travelers, HNIs and NRIs who are looking for global mobility. Fifth is transparent and investor-friendly system of Dubai. Dubai's real estate market is well regulated by Dubai Land Department. Foreigners can easily buy the property and even own 100% of the property. No hidden barriers, no legal grey areas, which is why the investors trust it. So when Vivek Oberoi and other celebrities invest in Dubai real estate, they are not just buying the real luxury homes, they are diversifying the income, building global assets and legally saving the taxes. And for such type of content, please follow Tax with CAB.